Justin Brown lives in Florida, far away from his family in Jamaica, and he's already late. Yes, it's Christmas time, and everyone in the Brown family is dreaming sweet dreams. Tiana and Tia, they're dreaming about what Santa is going to bring them. Mr. Brown is dreaming about a new bat, while Mrs. Brown, she's dreaming of something else. This is Christmas. Don't let distance stand in the way of sending love. Send something back home, a gift that everyone would love. At Island Wide Express, we deliver fast and simple from wherever you are in the world to the doorstep in Jamaica. No matter what you have to send, we're a friend indeed to those in need of an expert delivery service.
I've been waiting for this, and you guys are so fast. It's on time. So I'm going to keep using your service because I'm really impressed.
Good stuff.
Yeah.
We will go the extra mile, even in the deepest rural area or the heart of the city. Your gift will reach its destination. Our pricing? Oh, it is as simple as a Christmas carol. Pay only for what you ship in proportion. Send in the flat screen TV? Not a problem. Check out the cost on our website. It's easy and affordable. This is the holiday season. Let us connect you with the joy of giving, no matter what the distance is. Visit Island Wide Express today and experience the magic of hassle-free holiday shipping. Island Wide Express, your bridge to the one you love.